What if I told you that the best exercise for burning belly fat isn't crunches, isn't planks, and doesn't even require lying on the floor? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, most people waste hours trying to spot-reduce belly fat with exercises that don't actually work. Today, I'm going to share one surprising, underrated, and shockingly effective movement that targets belly fat indirectly by addressing the root causes of belly fat retention. No equipment, no jumping, no complicated choreography. And before you roll your eyes, let me tell you about the woman who discovered this by accident and dropped 2 inches from her waist in just 3 weeks. 1. The story of Comfort, belly fat breakthrough. Comfort was 42, a mom of 3, and she'd tried it all. Juice cleanses, 30-day ab challenges, intermittent fasting, you name it. She told me, "My legs are thin, but my belly? It just won't budge." When we met, I didn't ask her to do 10 crunches. I didn't hand her a diet plan. Instead, I asked her to do one thing every day for 10 minutes. She thought I was joking. 3 weeks later, she sent me a message. "My jeans finally button without forcing it. What is this sorcery?" It wasn't sorcery. It was science. And a little something called walking with intention. Yep. The exercise that made the difference? Walking. But not just any walking. Let me break it down. 2. Why belly fat is so stubborn. Before I show you how to make walking a belly fat burning machine, let's talk about why belly fat is so hard to lose. Because it's not just about calories. It's about hormones, stress, sleep, and metabolic function. Here's what makes belly fat stick around. High cortisol from stress. Poor insulin sensitivity from sitting too long. Bad posture that inhibits deep breathing and blood flow. Low daily movement, even if you work out 30 minutes a day. So what does this mean? If you're doing 1,000 crunches a week but spend most of your day sitting, have high stress and poor circulation, your belly fat isn't going anywhere. That's where this surprising exercise comes in. 3. The surprising exercise. Intentional belly-focused walking. Okay, ready for it? It's intentional walking with core engagement. What I call the belly burn walk. It's walking with correct posture, with active core control, with proper breath work, and with mindful pace and rhythm. It turns a simple walk into a fat-burning, belly-blasting, full-body activation tool. You don't need a treadmill. You don't need to run. You need intention. Comfort did it for 10 to 15 minutes a day around her block. And it worked, because it addressed the real metabolic issues holding her back. Now let me teach you how to do it properly. 4. How to do the belly burn walk correctly. Step 1. Posture reset. Stand tall, shoulders back and down. Chin parallel to the ground. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. Why it matters. Good posture opens up your lungs and allows for proper oxygen flow, which increases fat oxidation. Step 2. Engage your core. Slightly tuck your pelvis. Gently draw your belly button in, like zipping up tight pants. Don't squeeze, just activate. Hold that light engagement the whole time you walk. Now your abs are working the entire time without you having to do a single crunch. Step 3. Master the breath. Inhale through your nose for 3 steps. Exhale through your mouth for 4 steps. Repeat that rhythm the whole walk. Deep breathing helps lower cortisol levels, improves digestion, and can help flatten the stomach. Step 4. Add a pace. Start slow. After 2 to 3 minutes, pick up the pace just enough to feel slightly out of breath, but still able to walk. Keep that pace for 10 to 20 minutes. That's it. Walking with purpose, posture, breath, and core control. Done daily, this is one of the most powerful belly fat tools you'll ever try. 5. Add-ons to supercharge the burn. Want to amplify the results without adding impact? Here are 3 simple additions to your walk. A. Arm swings. Swing your arms intentionally, slightly exaggerated. Activates the upper body and boosts calorie burn. B. Stair climb intervals. If you're walking in a park or building, throw in a minute of stairs every 5 minutes. Still low impact, but fires up the glutes and core. C. Walk fasted in the morning. Walking before breakfast while hydrated may increase fat oxidation. Just don't overdo it. Start with 10 minutes, then build from there. 6. Let's recap and challenge you. Let's bring it all together. The exercise that changed Comfort's body wasn't flashy. It wasn't on Instagram Reels. It was intentional walking with engaged breathing and core control. No jumping, no running, no crunches. Just smart movement that works with your body, not against it. So here's your challenge. Do the belly burn walk for 10 to 15 minutes a day for 7 days. Track how your belly feels, how your clothes fit, and how your energy changes. Don't overthink it, just move, breathe, engage. It turns out the most powerful things in fitness are often the simplest. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Your belly doesn't need punishment. It just needs the right kind of movement. And now, you know exactly what to do. See you on your next walk.